General Secretary ka AICC badai pet ya ka jela Meghalaya V Narayan Swamy menha ka khatsan tarik unai tung ula lek panialap lupa ya ka election ka banlong house nam 8000 khat phra ha ki artli ki constituency ki balami khmat de ki seng reulo ha ka ni jing lek yalap election uteu he ka AICC ula sedang ningkong namai rang bat penkot ha nongkrem constituency ha ka ni ski lai dan rengkat lang ka Dr Vijay Lakshmi Secretary AICC bapet ya ka Meghalaya MP ke Shillong seat Uma Vincent Pala, President ke MPCC Dr. Didi Lapang, ki Menteri Sarkar, ki MLA, ki MDC bat QA. Habakran hak jingilang ke belalong hamairang, Narayan Swamy ulakam baka West Kelsey Hills kelayo Shibun ki Kampen Roy, hakapor basensyar ke seng Kongres, kuntup ya ki office, bat kamtam ya ke surok ke ban Shillong, bat ya lingba ke West Kelsey Hills, ke ban mi syatura nalor QA. Shushu ula kentho babun ki skim sarkar kila sa tenglot menta hadien balasensyar ka sarkar BJP nalor kani ula ong bau menteri rang bakdu kari Narendra Modi usukular ka ikipat ba bat penbit da kumni da kumtai kum ka jingkular ban penkhot ya ka black money ka baula kular ban asya man la uwe powei nong shnong hadu khatsan lak tengka hendrai hadu menta ompat i serngeu wat tang si tengkaru na kani ka black money hakani ngi layo ru ka jingkren na ki babun kinai lam ka seng Congress.
We have to analyze. We have to discuss. We should understand why Congress party is not able to win in this district. As I can understand from the Chief Minister's speech, because it is the lies that have been unleashed by the UDP and PSPDP. Very easy to spread lies. Very difficult to tell the truth and the people to understand the truth. You all know Narendra Modi government in 2014, Narendra Modi said to the people of this country, he raised his hand like this, you know, he said, if I come to power, we will reduce the prices of all the commodities. It happened? No. Today, dal, which was 80 rupees per kg, has gone to 130 rupees today. Secondly, he said, I will give employment to more than 1 crore people within 3 months. Not even 5 lakh people are employed within 1 year. Another assurance which he gave, people believe that Indians have put all the money abroad. All the black money is under other countries, Europe, America, Germany, all these countries. When we come to power, we will bring all the black money and we will put 50 lakhs of rupees each and every person's account, ladies' account. And we receive 50 lakhs of rupees in your bank account. It's a total lie. There is no difference between Narendra Modi and UDP leaders and PSPDP leaders. By marketing lies, Narendra Modi came to power in this country. He became Prime Minister of this country. Today what is happening? Government servants are unhappy, farmers are unhappy, the laborers are unhappy, fishermen are unhappy, the common people are unhappy. Nobody is happy about Narendra Modi government. It is not me. Even BJP leaders are unhappy with Narendra Modi government. What is the reason? Narendra Modi gave 170 assurances to the people. He said that I will fulfill all those assurances within 1 year. Only what he has done, he changed the name of the schemes of our UPA government, our Congress government, which was initiated for the development of the tribal people, scheduled caste people, backward people, which was given by our government. He changed the name and they are implementing it.
Katbah kecingilap election ke belalong Nongkrem constituency Narayan Swamy ulapan benar baka AICC ke ladap petha ya ke MPCC bakan thau no da ka development committee ka ban pej bat the ki kampan roi ha ki constituency bami khmat de ki MLA bom de congress ha ka ba ki paj ba ha ki constituency kin yo alang e ka bha khnang bakin la ban tre bat pen khlan ya ka party na ka benta ka election MLA ka ban sawan